Hello everybody, today we gotta make a stuffed pork chop. First thing we gotta season the pork chop, salt and black pepper. Okay, now do salt. Now what I do, I take the pork chop and I put right over here on this board, one by one, like this. Okay, now we start the stuff. And we start with the prosciutto. And we put each one the prosciutto, like this. The prosciutto is done. Now let's do with the cheese, provolone cheese. And we put each one piece. Okay. Now we got the sun-dried tomato. And we put each one piece. Okay, and the tomatoes are done. Now we got the spinach and we put one leaves, each one. Okay, look how beautiful this. And the last one right over here. Okay, now we got a cover and we use another piece right on the top, just like that, like this. And this other one. Okay, now I want to wash my hand. Okay, now we gotta put salt and black pepper on the top. And black pepper. Yeah, look at that. The pork, it like the black pepper, it like hot stuff. Now we put a toothpick, we use one each side. And make sure to catch the other pork chop on the bottle. You see that nice? Then you catch the other one on the bottle. It go up. And look at that. And when you cook, make sure to take it out too. Okay, now start to cook. Gas on, and we need oil. All right, we warm up the oil, and we got the garlic. I like garlic. The garlic give you really good taste. I like to eat. I eat a lot of garlic. Okay. Now we wait the garlic warm up a little bit. Okay, you gotta start the jump around the garlic. Look, huh? All right. And now we start with the pork chop. Okay, now we gotta make a nice, beautiful color. Okay, now we keep over here for 3 minutes, and now we gotta turn to the other side for 3 more minutes. And look how beautiful look at this. Huh? Look how nice. Now, 3 minutes after you put it in the oven. Before I go to the oven, the pork, you say, Pasquale, you don't drink wine, and what happened to me? I'll give it to you too. Look there. And now this we put in the oven, but not for too long. Oh, the smell, oh my God. Ooh. Okay, now this is going in the oven. I got it in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay. All right, good. Oh, this smells so good. After this, I gotta eat with a nice glass of wine, and we do salute and chin chin to everybody. Okay, 5 minutes, it's up. Now, so you see my glass, it's like this. I also go outside. This is kind of the glass, that's what I do on the sun. Okay, let's take it out. Oh, look how beautiful. Huh? Look how nice. Look at that. Look how beautiful look. Nice. Now it's a time of the taste. Okay. Get a knife. And make sure, like I said before, to take the toothpick out. You see? And we cut it. See how nice? Really good. Delicious. Tastes good, everything is stay, the cheese is melt, and the prosciutto. And the spinach, it's cooked, and the pork, it's delicious. Really good dish. I hope somebody make this, and you let me know, it come out really good. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.